Hey guys, so we're gonna do an unboxing. Have some Prada, have some Gucci. So it's a bit weird today because I literally went to Lowe's and bought a whole bunch of gardening stuff. We just moved in our house and I was gonna plant all these plants, beautiful flowers that I got. I wanted to surprise my husband, and there was like a 4-foot, 5-foot snake in the yard, and I didn't even know we had snakes. So I literally had a heart attack, left the plants there, the shovel, the rake, and came inside, took a shower, and that's the end of my day. Like I can't even deal with, I don't even know if I want to go, like somebody's gonna have to stand guard while I do the yard now because I'm just so scared of snakes. All right, so here we go. So I wanted this bag so bad, and I seen everybody wearing it. You'll see it. You've seen this bag before. It's the Prada nylon bag. But I didn't want to get the one that everybody has because I just oversaw it. Like it was just seen everywhere. And plus I tend to leave my purse open. I don't always zip it up. And I wanted something where I could leave it open, but it was still safe. Like if I'm walking around or something like that. So I got this one instead, and I really love it. And plus my husband got me a nylon bag from Louis Vuitton. Got me the tote bag, actually. Let me show it to you. And I really loved it. So my husband got me this one. And I use it everywhere. Like I use it every weekend because I go to see my dad, and I just love it. And I think it's a great size. But I wanted the nylon Prada one. So how cute is this one? And that way I can like leave it open and sometimes just like have it covered. And I really, really like that. So let's see here. About time we did this unboxing. I don't really leave a lot of like paper in my bags and stuff. And if they get like, I mean, I use all my bags. Like I really use them. I use them a lot. They start to get weathered. It's okay. Like that's what they're meant for. I don't want to be like one of those people who buy stuff and they just kind of leave it on their shelves to look beautiful and pretty, and that's it, and that's where they stay. Like I use all my stuff, but I also take really good care of my things, if that makes sense. Ooh. So I didn't see this in the store. I bought this online, and they actually, when I wanted to get it, they didn't have it, but then it came back in stock, and I was like, I have to get it because I'm gonna regret it. So I just love this bag. I love the nylon. You know, it's not as durable as leather, and it will, you know, wear and tear. But you know what? How much can it really wear and tear? You know what I mean? Isn't that cute? So, really excited about this bag, actually. You know, it's a little long for me. I have to adjust it. Let's see. So I like it like right by my belly button. Like I like it a little shorter than most people do. I don't think that did anything, but I'll adjust it in. Cute. So that's the Prada bag. So excited for that. Oh, duh. Oh my god, I'm such a dunce. I didn't even see it because that was like in the back. Okay. So let's see, let's adjust. Here we are. There we go. Much better. Very cute. It's a little bit bigger, I feel like, than the half moon that everybody wears, which is kind of good because I always have like a lot of stuff with me. So it's very cute. So excited. All right, so what's next? Let's see. I'm not really into a lot of things that are Gucci. Lately, there's not a lot of things that I've seen in the last couple of years that I really, really love. But I went online just because I like to check out everything. And I saw a couple of things that I really, really liked. And I was like, oh, you know, and Gucci is actually affordable. Much more affordable than like the other luxury brands. So I got a few things. I can't wait to share with you guys. Boxes. I throw out all my boxes though. I don't keep all that stuff because it's just, I don't have a lot of room. So, and even if I did, I don't need the box for everything. Okay, so what is this? They did it so good though. I have to say, Gucci really did a nice job boxing this stuff, because sometimes I get these boxes and I get it and it looks like it was just thrown together. I think this is what everybody knows and is out. So everybody knows the Gucci belt. Everybody has one. Everybody, you know, that was a phase a long time ago. But I've been wanting this belt forever. My dog is trying to knock down. He thinks this is a toy. No. I've been wanting the brown small one forever. They never had it in stock in my size. And finally they had it. And I was like, I don't care if it's out of style. I still want it. And I'm still going to rock it because I like it. I think it's too small. Oh my god, you guys, it's too small. I mean, not really. Cute though. Let's see what else we got. Gucci for sushi. Oh. I love it. Just wanted a t-shirt. And this is extra, extra small, I think. I got it. Because I heard it's a little big. I'm so glad I got it in the size I did. I got it in extra, extra small. Very cute. I think I'll fit perfectly. Okay. One more thing. This is what I really went for. And this is what I saw. And this is what I really wanted to get, Gucci. And I couldn't wait to get it. My husband's gonna hate it. I hope it fits because the last time I got Gucci and I got size 6, they were really small. I just one of those people, I'm so bad at returning things. I'd rather it just sit. I wanted something, I love the plastic, anything, so I wanted something that I could just throw on and just go. Take a look. Oh, it fits perfectly, actually, you guys. I really like it. Let's take a look. Here they are, guys. They're very chunky. Very cute, though. So cute. Just to like throw on and go.